Hi, welcome to learnhowtogarden.com. In today's film I'm going to show you how to sow and prick out basil. If you're not subscribed to us at Learn How to Garden, there's a link above me right now. Click that link, input your email address. It means you can get to see every time we put up a new film what our gardening club is all about and our online courses we can deliver straight to your computer. Basil can be a little bit tricky to germinate, and I know people have problems with it. So here's some foolproof rules. First thing, take a pot, fill it with a decent multi-purpose compost, gently firm the surface down, give it a good watering so the water goes through. Take some basil seeds, and this is quite small, quite dark, sprinkle across the top of the compost and cover that compost with vermiculite. You can get vermiculite from any good horticultural retailer. Then pop that in a plastic bag, pop it on a windowsill, leave it about 7 to 10 days and you'll get germination of very tiny seedlings. Leave those seedlings for about a week until they're about this size, and then you're going to prick them out into exactly the same compost, multi-purpose compost. Get yourself either a dibber or a spoon, and the trick is that when you go in, make sure that you get a good sized root ball. That is popped into a pot so that you bury it up to those first leaves. And the easiest way to do that is to get your pot, use your thumb to make an indentation, insert your cutting, backfill with your dibber, give that gentle watering, and very quickly, within 7 days, you'll start to find new leaves emerging. Grow it on, give it a week feed of tomato fertiliser about once a month. Very soon you'll have an amazingly bushy basil plant. All you need to do is pick off what you want to use and it'll just keep growing till the end of the season.